So I just turned the air conditioning on and you can feel it's coming out now. Yep, it's coming out now. Just gonna wait to see if it's gonna be cool, the house. I'm actually cleaning this rental property with my daughters. I don't know how it's gonna go. First of all, I'm gonna do the oven. What I'm gonna do on the stove, I'm gonna do is spray. I'm gonna spray this. Easy off on it. Yeah. Spray it around. Then let it just sit and soak for a little bit. I come back to it. Now, inside the oven, let me just put it easy up there. Probably have some kind of mask. That was so strong. Should not be here. See, you guys should not be here. Yeah. Should not be here. Just put that away. I bought a mask. Spray a little bit more. And then I sprayed. See this. What I'm gonna do right now, I have to dust. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust. Oh, so good. Chemicals. Dust the fan here. Kind of dust around here. Dust around. Probably this one should be like the last one I'm doing here. It's down is more dirty. See how this is already dirty. That's it. I'm multitasking real bad. You know, dust around here. The pantry maybe up here. I don't think the guys use them much. Here. Let's put all this down. Alright, so this down here. And that was the base board here. Like I said. Normally I pay for somebody to do this, but this time around I have time, and so I decided to take matter into my own hands. This. Oops. The bathroom here. Does this light works? So the way this place is, this is a tenant that moved out and he never got all his belongings. So I have like a a lot of work, as you can see. I'm gonna be cleaning for probably about 4 hours or 5 hours. I was gonna like do it twice, like come back another day and do it, but I don't think. Let's clean this. This looks disgusting. A little this dusting here. The air is not coming out too strong, so I think air conditioning might need to be looked at. This has come out. This is coming out here. Living room here. So just dusted it, throw this away, and then I'm gonna go down to the bathroom downstairs and spray it. Where is the other? I need to get the other heads for this. So I'm cleaning this bathroom. It's so dark here, so I can't even like properly walls and off. But I'm using this for the toilet. I'm gonna pour it. Ecolab mold and stain tube. Is it bleach? So I'm gonna spray this in the toilet. I think this is probably bleach. Yes, bleach in it. So just kind of spray it. Bathroom is really nasty, honestly. It's really bad. So I just spray it around and then stop. Spray it. It doesn't spray too good. I don't know why. I'm just gonna use this one instead because the other one wasn't spraying that good. So just spray, let it sit for a little bit. Then scrub it. I'll have to come to and dust the bathroom too before I step in it. The floor looks disgusting, honestly, absolutely disgusting. Just gonna get this thing. Let's see, let's go. Okay, so I'll go upstairs and then clean the kitchen area.